Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create selective properties in a table database. So first I already have the table database open and you want to click on the add property and you're going to add property. So if we're doing a finance tracker, you're probably going to want to track your categories of expenses. So we'll call it category and we'll click on the downward triangle select here. And then you have to input the categories yourselves. So left click under in this box and it says select an option or create one. Just type in food, press enter, click again, and then type rent, press enter. And these categories are all being input. So you can just click and select. Now, you might want to do multiple categories that you can select. So for that, we click on add property and then we go to multi-select. And this one can do, you might want to do like business if it's business related, but also you can do food. And this depends on how you want to organize your finance tracker. But if you were using like a content calendar, then multi-select would be more like hashtags, or if you're tracking information, you have your own PKM, personal knowledge management system, then you might want to put it the content in different categories. So that's how you create selective properties and multi-selective properties. Hope this helps. Thank you.